I thought I would share my Authentique Design Team box with you. This came to me during Creativation 2020, and it's got 4 of the brand new collections in it, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited. The first one I want to look at is called Voyage, and this is a wonderful nautical collection. Lots of lighthouses, ships, great for cruising, great for being on the beach, just wonderful. I got the 6x6 pad, and I got, look, they brought back the life cards. I can't tell you how excited I am about these. If you are a mini album maker, even a card maker, I love to have these to tuck in, and they had stopped making them, and I am just over the moon that they have brought them back. And how much do we love this great nautical color palette? The red, the blue, the cream, the tan. It's really sharp, you guys. Wonderful vintage images, great typography. So I'm super excited to have these back. Here's the 6x6, and I love to use this for smaller projects, but look at this. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to show you actually the big one. So there's 2 sheets of each pattern in the collection kit. And look at this wonderful seaweed, just a wonderful background. Then look, a whole page of sentiments. I love, love, love this. This is so great. And then the back side of this is this really fun oars. And then wonderful, wonderful nautical stars. Can you see those? Ooh, I love the navy blue. And then also in the beautiful, this makes me think of Maine. It's so gorgeous. Then waves, don't look at that too long, you'll get seasick. And then these great sailing boats, fishing boats, just so adorable. And then this is a really neat one. It's all these wonderful knots, like bow lines and stuff. And I love the neutrals, so great for layering. And then this one, this might be my, I don't know, this might be my favorite with the coral and the seaweed. And then there's little tiny, I don't know if those are shrimp or what those are, but the colors, the beige, the blue, and the cream, so beautiful. And then, see, love this too. This is the back side, the beech wood, love. Here's a wonderful, just a sort of an all-over design. It sort of makes me think of crabs because it's got the little claws, but they're very stylized. And then this fabulous nautical stripe. And then look at these paddles. How cute is that? And these are smaller prints, so they're great. This is really versatile. You can use this for card making, for layouts, for mini albums. I love the size of the prints. Anchors, diamonds and anchors with the rope trim around them. Red wood, so gorgeous. And then this wonderful scene. I'm telling you, this could come right from the coast of Maine. It is so gorgeous. These wonderful seabirds, the little sanderlings, the herons, the pipers, just wonderful. And then look, another beautiful board print. This collection, if you're a beach lover like me, oh my goodly goodness, little teeny tiny crabs, so cute. And look how sweet this is paired up with the companion page. Really easy to make cards and mini albums with this collection. I can't wait to dig in. Another wonderful stripe paired up with these gorgeous lighthouses. And then this is the sticker sheet, and it is beautiful. I love, love, love. And these are heavy cardstock stickers. These are not cheap, flimsy. So there's the first collection, Voyage. Let me set this aside and I'll bring in the next one, which I almost saved this for last because it's so amazing. But because we're friends, I'll go ahead and show you now. Purebred. Holy moly, you guys. This is the most gorgeous. I mean, it's perfect if you have pets, but even if you don't, the vintage images and the colors and the patterns in this are astonishing. This is the sticker sheet. Here's the 6x6. I love the color palette. Really chic with the grays and the blues and the tans. It is just classy. Look at the images. See what I mean? You could just use these. I mean, it's wonderful because they're pets, but Also, you could use these for anything. They're so gorgeous. And then here's the reverse side, which has journaling cards and sentiments. Just so cute. And then there is a second image sheet. Can you even believe it? Look at the little kitties. This one's all cats. And then sentiments to go with the cats. So beautiful. And now here we are. This is my happy place. Look at this gingham paired up with the postage stamps. Fabulous. And then of course a cat all over print with a dog all over print. So cute. I love how stylized these are. It's like, I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's like they've been paper pieced with little bits of the patterns that are in the collection to make up the kitties and the doggies. So cute. A wonderful, wonderful, versatile plaid. Hello, can you say masculine cards? Fabulous. Then this all over tiny print with geometrics and paw prints. And the back side is this wonderful scroll work design. It's like coffee and cream, so beautiful. A wonderful horizontal stripe with newsprint, which I love these pages because you can fussy cut these out and use them, or you can just cut the page and use it as the base page. Look at the faux fur. Is that hilarious or what? Paired up with another plaid, which you know how I feel about plaid. And so that's that whole collection. Purebred. Wonderful. Then here's a fun one. This is Dublin. So great. I always look forward to the years when Authentique does a St. Patrick's Day collection, and they don't do it every year. So you'll want to grab this because they might not do it again for a year or so. But look at these sweet, sweet images. And the colors are beautiful. So here's an image paired up with the Celtic knot. And oops, got two of those. And then shamrocks paired up with a diagonal stripe. This wonderful horizontal stripe paired up with a fabulous gingham. Look at that. Ooh, love that one. And I'm going to be making lots of projects with this one, I can tell you that. So this wonderful diamond plaid or tartan plaid. Can you see these little prints? So cute. Pipes, harps, horseshoes, hats, barrels of whiskey, pots of gold. It is the cutest pattern. I just love it. So there's that one. And then this wonderful hearts and shamrocks. And this is paired up with just a fabulous little dot pattern. Are you getting ideas? What are you going to make with this collection? Tell me. Then a wonderful diamond pattern with stripe. Look at the leprechauns. So cute. And shamrocks with this wonderful happy dot print. So adorable. I think I have to make a banner. That's the first thing I want to make with this is a banner. So cute. And then another wonderful shamrock with a wonderful geometric. And then here are these are the cardstock punch outs, which I actually love just as much as the stickers. So fun. And then of course it comes with a 6x6. Now, are you ready for some serious cuteness? I cannot believe how much I love this collection. This is Cottontail. Cute, cute, cute. I mean, the color palette. Look at this image of the carrots. Stop it. I can't stand it. Adorable little bunnies, cute little girls in Easter dresses, just the cutest. So that's an image sheet, and then here's the wonderful pattern that goes with that. And then look, there is a second image sheet. Look at this. It's just so gorgeous. Look at this beautiful brown with the lop-eared rabbit. Adorable. And then a wonderful floral to go with that. Beautiful, beautiful. This will make a great banner too. A wonderful plaid with polka dots. And then look at this. Can you even stand it? All these adorable Beatrix Potter style bunnies in their little jackets. And then a basket weave. Stop it. I can't take any more. And then this this, again, I love these collage pages because look, you can fussy cut out this corner treatment, you can fussy cut out the bunny, or you can just use this as a base page in a mini album. And then, whoops, I need to set this down, a wonderful pinstripe to go with that. Then here's just a whole bunch of Easter eggs with the bunnies. Cute, cute, cute. This is the one, y'all. I love this page. It's got this little micro dot in the background, tiny little florals, and then all these bunnies who have so much personality. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then a wonderful horizontal stripe. And then look at the carrots, a vertical stripe, small pattern carrots, so cute. And the pink plaid. I cannot wait to dig into this collection. And then of course this is the textured, which is my favorite. I love the textured paper. This is what comes with the in the paper pad. The collection kit I think comes with the smooth papers. And then here are the punch out cardstock components. Look how darling. So, so cute. So that is my Authentique Paper Design Team haul. I hope you got inspired. You can get this at scrapbook.com. You can get it at a Cherry on Top. You can get it at Country Craft Creations. Those are 3 that I'm really familiar with where I know you can find it, and they have lots and lots of it. So I'm going to be a busy girl, and I am going to go get my craft on. Thanks for joining me for this little unboxing video. And go sharpen your scissors and you get crafty too. See you later. Bye.